Right, people in estate, this is great. They have added PayPal withdrawal system in estate. And we used to have only 8 different types of withdrawal methods, but they've added PayPal to it, making it 9 different ways that we can withdraw from in estate, which is great because this introduction of PayPal system of withdrawal is really good. It helps a lot of people to convert immediately their cryptocurrency earning, okay, their payouts in estate to their local currency. Once it is in your PayPal account, you can now withdraw to your bank account, which is great. So this to me is a very good advancement in estate. And I don't just want to sit here and talk about it. Let me show you how you can get that done. So once you are in your estate, please navigate to your account. Okay, so go to your person profile and click on settings. When you click on settings, it will take you to this page. While you are on this page, navigate and click on where it says payment methods. Okay, so once you hit the payment methods, you will see that they have added PayPal. Okay, PayPal USD ERC20, which is great. So right now you are able to withdraw to your PayPal account. So for those of you that are in estate and you are looking for a way to withdraw your money and put it directly into your bank, this is a vehicle, okay, for you to get that done. You can withdraw from here as long as you have added your PayPal USD ERC20 address. You can go to your PayPal right away. Okay, this is my PayPal account. Look for PayPal USD, click on it, and then select ERC20 and then click on deposit. Your deposit address will appear, and then you copy your deposit address and paste it in there in that box. Okay, and then when you paste it in that box, you click save changes. So therefore, when you are making your withdrawal next time, you will be able to withdraw to PayPal USD ERC20. Now, in saying that, PayPal is the last payment method that they have added. Okay, they just recently added this. But before that, we have Theta TRC20, which is USDT TRC20. And then we have Theta ERC20, which is USDT ERC20. And then we have USDT BEP20. Okay, Theta BEP20. We have Theta Polygon. We have USDC running on the Ethereum network, which is ERC20. And then we have USD Base. Okay, this is another one that they just added recently. Okay, just so you know. And then we have Bitcoin. We have Ethereum. So we have about 9 different ways to withdraw our profit from estate. But for those of you that want quick money to go into your bank account, I will recommend you use PayPal if you have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, please go and open PayPal account. Create your own PayPal account. Make sure that you complete the KYC in PayPal so that you will have access to all the cryptocurrencies that they are currently providing in PayPal. That way, you will be able to get your deposit address, copy it from your PayPal, paste it in here, and click Save Changes. And then you will be set to make your withdrawal. So eState is doing really great, making it very easy for every single member to withdraw their profit easily, right? So this is it. I just thought I should let you guys know that there is a new payment method that has been added to eState, and it is working perfectly okay. For those of you that have used it, you know that it's working okay. Make sure that you add PayPal to your withdrawal list if you have a PayPal account. If you are comfortable with other 7 different cryptocurrencies that they have listed in the back office for withdrawal, you are more than welcome to continue using them, right? Some people prefer to keep their cryptocurrency in their own wallet rather than sending it to their bank through PayPal, right? But again, this is just the choice that you can make yourself. Okay, it's personal decision. But yeah, I just thought I should let you know that this function is now available for you guys to use in eState. If you are looking to join eState and make some money, the link to do so is below this video description. You have to register, complete your KYC, and then do what we call deposit. Because if you don't do a deposit, you won't be able to purchase a fraction of tokenized property like this one that you are looking at right now. This one is villa property, and the minimum to start this one is $3,120, and you will earn $19 every day, Mondays to Friday only, no Saturday or Sunday earnings. Just so you know, only 5 days earnings in eState, and then in a month you should be earning close to $400. Okay, and this is great. You will be able to break even as well in 7 months. So if you would like to earn while you sleep, the idea is to make your money work for you rather than you working for your money. So bring your money here. Okay, bring your $3,120 here, purchase this property, a fraction of it, and then let this $3,120 be making profit for you while you sleep. You don't have to do anything other than that, because everything in eState is automated, right? So that is it. The link to join is below this video description if you wish to do so. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel to help my channel grow. Otherwise, thank you, and I will see you in my next eState video.